Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize and actualize potency of the all attracting, the all enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. Classics. CD 1. Krishna Meditations. We respect the spiritual lineage and what they accomplished. It is what we do. Though we are liberated by finding our truth, there are details to understand and bring out. The sent ones found their joy in devotion and with devotees. And CD 2 is Hare Krishna Classics and Originals. Education shouldn't be how to make up things. Spiritual doesn't have the limits of material, and we don't deny the limits either. A mentality of exploitation leads to being exploited. There is something that will not be accessed by learning, but by action. We honor the methods and transmission and processes of devotion, even the most inconspicuous in value among the lessons from sacred scripture are worthy of enactment. Regarding it, hold all entities of the right spiritual order as dear ones and become one. CD 3, Songs of the Spiritual Masters. It matters more whether you chant than if you are renounced or not. The spiritual vibrations that we can repeat are meant for response. Learn to accomplish your desires and do this within devotion. CD 5, Sri Brahma Samhita. Sent ones are of examples to us all. The material and spiritual worlds are of elemental components. And CD 4 is, Sri Brahma Samhita. Okay. The history of the Mahabharata is taken as quaint mythology, and Krishna becomes a poetic device for presenting the ideas of some anonymous genius, or at best, he becomes a minor historical personage. And this is in setting the scene. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Experience the God of light, the God of sound.